Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ahmad Fauzi, usually called Fauzi. I studied at the State Islamic University of Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang, Faculty of Science and Technology, Chemistry Study Program. My place of birth is Blitar, and I'm 19 years old. Here I will explain the summary of the third and fourth videos in the environmental chemistry course. Okay, next. In this third video explain. So the water on earth is the same water in ancient times, which is inherited water. For that, we must issue the same water from our ancestors to our children and grandchildren in the future. This statement indicated that water does not go anywhere and remains on earth. We as humans who live in this era must protect the water heritage. In this video, it is also explained the water sliding is caused by pumping air into the water so that it reacts with organics that decompose with microbes and inorganics to form oxides. And this processing is included in aeration. Aeration is pumping air into the water, which aims to speed up the process of flowing water so that it reacts with organics that decompose with microbes and inorganics to form oxides. In reducing water pollution, microbes are needed, but microbes cannot survive if the waste is too concentrated and heavy. Usually, inorganic will be described because microbes like inorganic compounds. The concept clarified at the top edges slowly so that at the bottom it can form precipitation. The sediment that settles will be given a disinfectant. Disinfection should not be given at the beginning because the microbes can die. The first steps of wastewater treatment are filtering from waste and then balance stands or deviation, namely the composition and volume are balanced so that processing can be uniformed, and then add microbes to reduce pollution. Because microbes are safer and cheaper, but if water but if the water content has a large concentration of waste, the waste than chemical substance are needed, because microbes cannot survive if the waste is too concentrated and heavy. Inorganic substances are usually used to be described because microbes like inorganic compounds. Next, and for the fourth video explaining, waste is polluted water that must be treated. Polluted water is not allowed to be directly discharged into the environment and must go through several processing processes. There are several steps in waste treatment, namely the first inlet is the entry of water. The second is filtering, which is useful for filtering solid waste. The third is equalization, to accommodate excessive waste. The fourth, uniformity. Here is the occurrence of spiration. And then the fifth is cooling. And then the sixth is biological breast milk, which breaks waste liquid with oxygen for easy decomposition. But this is what microbes sometimes add, and the seventh clarify in the process. And then the X is deposition, and the 9 is the sand filter, where the replacement of ions that are not good are bound to the sand and then released. The 10 is lagoon and control. The 11 is a water meter analysis. The file water is ready to use or not. And then the 12 is the outlet, which means the discharge of water. At this stage, the waste that is already in good quality will be discharged into the environment. In the test, you can use tilapia, because if the water is not suitable, the tilapia will die. If the test use catfish, it can be said that the test is successful, even though the water is not suitable, because catfish is resistant to pollution. In short, waste is waste generated from production process, but industrial and domestic types of waste in the form of garbage, latrine water, and waste water from various domestic activities. The characteristics of waste are micro-sized, dynamic in nature with spread impact and long-term impact judging from the type of waste characteristics. It is divided into three, namely physical, chemical, and biological characteristics. Physical characteristics are divided into solids, water, temperature, and color turbidity. And then the following is a summary of the result, the third and fourth videos. More or less, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.